Simple. Just pour out the cheese, and that's it, man. So about now, y'all boys should be pouring out the sauce. So just do what I'm doing, pour out the sauce into a bowl. It's real simple, to be honest, but I have to make sure to explain it for you guys. So, you can pour out as much sauce as you like. I pour out a lot of salsa because, I like it saucy. And yeah, that's really it. Just keep pouring until you feel like you're ready. And then let's head into the next phase. Alright, so right now, you guys should be heating your salsa and cheese up. I mean, you don't have to heat it up, but I choose to heat it up because, who likes cold nachos, right? So, just press 40. Well, I use 40 to make, because I like my stuff hot. But you can use whatever time you want, to be honest. So, yeah, so take it out, and now your boy should just be taking out the nachos, and you should just be, self-serve. You should be taking out the sauce and pouring it on the nachos, as you can clearly see me doing. Just pour out the cheese, and pour out the salsa after. So yeah. How to make nachos? Simple.
They like Savage, why you got a 12-car garage and you only got 15 cars? Cause we all just wanna be big rock stars and living hilltop houses, driving 15 cars.